This episode examines the 1982 El Chichón eruption in Chiapas, Mexico, which killed hundreds to thousands and forced tens of thousands from their homes. A massive ash plume blanketed towns, ruined crops, contaminated water, and disrupted air travel as life abruptly shifted for months. The disaster triggered climate effects after global aerosol injections, complicating weather patterns for years and chilling agricultural hopes across distant regions. Scientists learned to improve eruption forecasting, increasing monitoring networks and community alerts to reduce future losses. The episode honors the victims by highlighting resilience, the human cost, and the enduring drive to live safely beside volcanoes.